Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Haseeb Electronics, friends. In this video we will discuss automatic cutout circuit for 12 volt battery. This circuit will protect the battery from overcharging. At specific level of voltage it will cut the charging voltage, the charging current, and it will make a self interlock from the output drive, so the battery will save after the specific level. So watch complete video and we will see this circuit in detail. Going to our video. If you are new to my channel or you are visiting first time, subscribe. We will draw this circuit now. I will connect a relay, 12 volt relay. In next video we will make a practical circuit. I will connect a load, that is battery. I connect a battery. Now I will connect one diode, 41481N 4148. It is a simple rectifier diode. We connected one line of the relay coil to diode and the second line to battery negative terminal as a ground. I connected one PNP transistor 4403. If this is not available, you can use any normal signal transistor. 2 kilo ohm resistance between base and emitter of the transistor 4403 PNP transistor. Now I connect NPN transistor 4401. You can use C18115 or 2N2222. And now we connected the collector to the base of Q1 transistor and emitter we connected to the ground. 6.2 volt Zener diode. I connected 6.2 volt, 2 kilo ohm resistor and 10 kilo ohm potentiometer in series. The center tape or the wiper of the potentiometer I connected to the Zener diode cathode. So now this circuit is complete. Now I will connect a current source. We will connect 16, 17, 18 volt charging voltage for a battery. I will apply 18 volt. If you have 17 volt, 16 volt, 18 volt, it is normal. This circuit will work from 14 volt up to 18 volt, 20 volt. Any source you have a charging voltage, this circuit will work normally. Now we connected a constant current source. These two lines, the constant current source we connected top and this ground line, this is from the charging port. This is adjustment for the trip off voltage. At which voltage level this circuit will trip. I connected this 10 kilo ohm potentiometer and now we will see the response of the circuit. As I told, this circuit will work normally for a voltage range from 14 volt charging volt. Okay, now I connect R3 resistor, that's 470 ohm, and I will connect LED, light emitting diode, that will indicate when the battery is fully charged and battery is disconnected. This indicator will turn on. It will show the battery is full and disconnected. I renamed the LED fully charged. Now I will connect a interlock diode, that is D3 4148. I will connect to the normal open contact of the relay and we will connect it to the D1 cathode. both cathode of D1 and D3 will be connected together. So now our circuit is complete. Okay, now we will adjust the RV1 potentiometer. We will suppose the battery is at 13.4 volt, and we will adjust the potentiometer until it is triggered to a off condition, and LED will glow. We will take a fully charged battery and we will connect to the circuit, and now we have to see the diode LED until, and we will adjust the RV1 potentiometer until the light glows, until the LED is turned on. We can see the diode relay is shifted to the other condition. Now it is in charging condition, battery is charging. When this reach at a specific voltage level, Q1 and Q2 will triggered by adjusted level from RV1 like this. It will shift the point and it will disconnect the battery, and it will turn on a LED, and it will give an interlock circuit from D3. So the circuit will now in latch state. The circuit will latch automatically until we turn off the battery charger. Now the battery is safe. Now we have adjusted the RV1. We can see when we powered on, the system will shifted automatically into safe condition. Okay, now we will adjust battery level. We will suppose the battery is discharged. It is not fully charged. It is now in charging condition until we have to adjust RV1. Now we will use a different voltage levels for battery. We adjusted the potentiometer, and now I will use 12.9 volt. That means the battery is not fully charged, and we will see the response of the circuit. At 12.9 volt, this circuit will keep the battery charging. Now 13.2 volt, we say the battery is charging and it is still charging. Now 13.3 volts, and we will power on the same. Now I will put 13.4 volt, and we will power on, and that means the battery is fully charged. And I powered on the circuit. We can see the LED is on and the relay points are shifted. Battery is disconnected. So now this circuit is latched to off condition.